So I'd say one of my favorite things about the Nutri-Tower is how you can remove plants from their pots, clean them, cut them up, and put them back in a way that I feel like outdoor gardening really doesn't allow you to do. In an outdoor garden, your plants are in the ground and they're fastened there, and that's sort of how it is. They stay there all season long. But with the Nutri-Tower, I've been able to remove my plants, clean them if there's spider mites, and put them back in. So that's what we're gonna do today with this tomato plant. So first thing first, you wanna turn off your pump because you don't wanna have a water leak when you're removing your pots. So here I'm gonna unclip it, completely remove this from the tower, like so, and see you in a second. So when I do this, it's always a really good opportunity to wash my hydrogen stones. So I use just like a pot to put them in. Pull out the netting pot. You can see here there's a little bit of roots. All right, then we're just gonna rub the hydrogen. See this, just clean it off. And now you see I've got my whole tomato plant that I'm just holding in my hand. Very malleable, I would say. And what we want to do is get rid of some of the leaves that we see here that have these white spots. That's because they've been attacked by spider mites. I can see in the back of the leaves here that I actually do have a little bit of spider mites. I don't know if you can see. But then, honestly, I just give it a rinse, a straight up rinse, just like this. And again, our plants are way more malleable than we think in the hydroponic system. You take them out, rinse out the roots. All right, so here we see the tomato plant. And look, there's a bunch of sucker leaves and a bunch of leaves here that we're gonna cut. So this here got attacked. So as you can see, this plant is way tougher than you would normally think, right? Here it is, the root structure. I can even remove a little bit of the roots here. I removed a bunch of the dirty leaves or the attacked leaves by the spider mites. Gave it a nice shower. And that's that whole part. You can really rinse them in the sink, like give them a full shower, give them a full shake, and just put them back into your system. I think this is a great way to prolong the life of your plants and also to have that much more control. Look at this. See? Looks a lot better now. I've got one little tomato here. I just ripped out. Oh well. Look at this. You can take it. You can shake it out. Way tougher than you would think. Then you just put it back in the system. So I gave my hydrogen a good rinse. Just putting them back in, a little base. There you go. See? Back in. There. Just like that. So yeah, that's how I clean my plants. Make sure that they're properly cleaned, like not just like a spray on the plant, but an actual full rinse, an actual full trim, and a reset in the system. I'd love to hear if more of you do this or if you try this and see how it works and see how you like it. All right, take care.